What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to be putting this Pro Circuit pipe onto my 2023 KTM 125. This should work for all 2023 to 2025 models. Mine also does have a spark arrestor on it, but it should be the same steps for every bike. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to loosen those bolts right there. There should be 2 of them. You're going to want to take your 8mm and you want to take them all the way out. Alright, so the pipe should come out. A little bit of tugs, a little bit of wiggles. And there we go. Now we got the pipe removed. Now that you have the pipe removed, you're going to want to take off these spacers and that little rubber piece at the top. Alright, so now I have those removed. I did have to wedge the rubber piece a little bit out, but we were able to get it out just with a screwdriver. Now you're going to want to repeat the same process, but on your other pipe. Alright, once you got something that looks similar to this, you should be good to put it on your bike. Alright, now that you got it on, you should be good to start the bike up. Just look at this thing though. Super clean. Right, here we go. Gonna start it up. Look at this thing. Brand new Pro Circuit, dude. Super clean. Here we go.